here at the gravel pit in Lax today, and we're gonna be chasing after some decent sized bass. Fingers crossed for the mystery fish. You'll find out what that is if we hook into one. I won't spoil it yet, but hopefully in this video you'll see what it is. Damn wind. That noise has to be annoying. Anyways, we're gonna be out here for quite a few hours. We're gonna see if we can't wrangle up some crappies, some bass. Really hoping for that mystery fish, but who knows? So I will catch you guys on the walk out there. We are with buddy Ethan today. So Mr. Stash Bag over there. But yeah, we'll catch you guys on the walk out there and hopefully get some slabs. What's up, guys? We're gonna be using the Panoptix here to find some fish today, and I don't know if you guys can see all that. So this is your hard bottom line, then all these little blips above it are fish. So basically all the way from 10 feet away to 45 feet away we have constant fish being here. So we're gonna just move a little bit that way to where this bigger school of them is, and drill some holes and get all set up, because you can see there's probably, I don't know, 10, 15, maybe more fish there. They're just constantly coming in and out and moving around. So we're gonna go get these holes drilled, and we will see you guys in the shack.
Let's sort of go up and look at it, but it's not gonna happen since I put the second one on.
How's the flags doing?
Oh shit, I got one.
Do you?
Yep.
All right. Hold on a second. I just checked it when I put the GoPro here too, so. There you go. I would have just set the hook and then moved it later. Does he have it? Got him.
Well, that's a nice bass.
Is it? Get him up here, get him up here, get him up here. Well, that's an unorthodox way to pull him up, but it works. Nice one, bud. Pull that baby up. You afraid of it? Beautiful colors on them in here. Yeah, it's a good one. All right.
Later, dude.
Down he goes. Oh, I missed him. Fuck. No. Come on, come back. Come back. I have no idea where my bait is. No. Come eat it again. Oh, he's coming for you. Is he gonna eat it? Oh, that feels better. You got one too?
Yep. Double up.
Mine feels pretty good. Oh, that's a
nice bluegill.
that's a good gill. Guys,
That one's not bad,
that's a good one too, but look at the colors on this gill.
I think I'm gonna put this guy back.
Look at that thing.
Kind of pepper
Beautiful colors. Love the gills in the Mississippi chain. They are just gorgeous. Thanks, dude. I appreciate the fight. Little bluegill. They're small. I don't come here for small. Why is it small? Oh well. Hasta la vista, buddy. And drop it back down. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. No? Don't drop it like it's hot? Well, sorry guys. I tried turning the camera on and I failed at it, but got another one. Just a wee little tiger. But I got him. That was cool. Thanks for fighting, little dude. Down the hole, stupid. There we go. Drop this back down, see if we can't get another one. Got 3 on the screen now. Oh, look at this one coming up for me. Oh, stopped short. What is up with that? Oh, they're all racing over to you. Oof. Oof.
Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it.
There's one. There's a decent gill. Not huge, but good old colors on them. Mississippi chain's got some really beautiful gills, but too small. Back he goes. Thanks for the fight, little dude. Got a new waxy on. That one's pretty beat up. down we go. Still got some more fish on the screen. There you go, bud. Nicer one or no?
Decent. Not too shabby.
Nice gill. Ooh.
Wow. Keep swimming my way. Come on, buddy. You know you want it.
See if I can't get him to chase it. Nope, I don't want to chase it. Drop it down past his face, see what he does. You got a decent mark on you. I really hope he eats it. Oh! Drop it back down before he leaves. Got one.
Decent one. Ooh, crappie.
There we go. This is the real reason why we come to this spot. Because of the crappies this place has. Some of the crappies in here could eat this one. Like, it is just ridiculous. We pulled an 18-incher out of here and a 16-incher out of here. Unfortunately, I was not doing the whole YouTube thing at the time. So, the biggest one I've gotten out of here on video is just a little over 13 inches. And that video will be posted by the time you see this, about a week ago, probably. Because I got, I think 3 or 4 videos I got edited and put out yet. So, yeah, nice little crappie. Get him back and hopefully get a giant on camera for you. Thanks for the fight, little dude. Down you go. There he goes. Nice. Free falling.
I like how you just went with that. Oh, got some fish down there. Come on, guys.
See, that one looks like he's coming in pretty hot from the side.
Yep. I was thinking that myself. Come on. He's gone.
He just straight up curved your ass. Oh. I don't know if he's gonna eat me. Hoping he will.
Come on, eat it.
Oh, and I missed him.
What way to go. Yeah, he's hightailing it out of here. It's like, nope, I'm good. Don't want to try that again.
Yeah, he got food, so he's happy.
And you took your bait. Oh, dude, you got a flag.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on. Got him that time. Little bluegill. You know, tiny guy. Had quite a lull there for a little bit. Went like an hour without even getting a nibble. But that guy broke that, so appreciate it, little dude. Can't get down there and get another one quick because there's quite a few on the screen. That wind is ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.
Nope. Sorry, run away. Get him. There you go. Oh my god.
There we go.
That is a monster bluegill. We gotta see how big that guy is. Dude, that is a giant.
That's a nice bluegill. That's a good pull right there.
Oh my god, you just got a 10-inch gill. That's a wall mounter, dude. That is ridiculous.
I don't think he's down all the way.
Yeah, he is. No, he's
No,
not.
he's not.
That is a giant gill, dude. That's like... That is a giant. I don't even know what to say to that. You gotta show him off to the camera, though.
Oh.
Don't drop him down the hole.
Come here, little guy.
That is a beautiful fish. We'll get a real measurement on him later. That is a beautiful fish, man. Congrats on that one.
He's probably a 9-inch fish. I have about 8 and a half-inch hands, so.
Yep. Nice one. That one's going home with us.
I need a more sensitive rod. I have some in the back of my truck. I don't know why I didn't bring them out.
Didn't know he had it or what?
Honestly, no. I was just like, not until like right before I yanked it up, there was that one little, so I don't know if it's just it being that deep that it's not that sensitive of a rod or what, but.
You need to put a spring bobber on that. 'Cause it's a good rod. It's got good backbone and everything, but you can't detect the bites very easily.
See, I bought some spring bobbers the other day. Can't quite figure out how to use them.
This guy's coming up to me. Let's see if he eats it. Come on, one of you guys eat it. Got like 4 fish on me and they're all just staring at it.
Those. I hate to be a needy person, but I can't find my spring bobbers. Do you have any?
I gave you my one. I don't know if I have any more.
You never gave me a spring bobber.
Yeah, when we're at the house.
I don't remember that.
It was right before our walleye trip.
I also don't remember that.
The ding.
That must be in my truck because I bought 2 of them. But I can't quite figure out how to use them quite right. Was trying to figure them out that day on Lake Toma, but.
Oh, he did not like me moving.
Come on, buddy.
I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but this wind is ridiculous today. I wonder if it flew away the middle bucket yet.
I don't think it has. And
Nope.
like I said, last time we were out there, it was still sitting right by the shack here, so.
Well, those fish swerved us again, so. Well, figured I'd give you guys an update. It is, current time check is 2:07. We've been out here since 11-ish.
Yeah, I'd say around 11.
Been a little slow today, not bad. We got 3 good gills on the ice. Caught a few others that we released, 2 small. 1 crappie, 1 bass, but it's been a little slow. I'm pretty sure it's because of this front that came in and the amount of wind we have. But today we're just we're fishing in 19.5 feet. We're just using tungstens. I'm using an orange with some black lining in it, tipping it with a waxy. Just trying to see if anything's hungry for it. Got a few good ones today, but still haven't got that monster crappie we're here for, or the mystery fish. Unfortunately, we've had probably 7 or 8 flags, and only 1 fish so far off the flags. The other ones, I think the wind has tripped them, because the wind out here is ridiculous.
Oh, I just missed him. Son of a gun.
But I don't know. We'll see what happens here. Probably gonna stay out till almost dark, depending on how the bite is. Hoping the afternoon bite comes in pretty soon. Yeah. Isn't a horrible day. Better than being at work. Yeah. Let you know when we got our fish on. Got him. Little guy. Very little. Well, there's another gill for you. Tiny one, but it's a fish. Did you miss him?
Yep.
I seen that. There you go. Nice one. Oh, there's a good one. There's a couple more down there yet too.
I'll set them down here. Show them later. I'll get back down there. Some more on the ice.
Come on. It's right on top of me.
Well, looks like he left. So we got some underneath me. I'm just not showing up too good on the sonar.
Panoptics.
Oh, maybe someone.
Jeez, wind's upsetting. He gone. He's just flickering down there. But yeah, show off that gill you just got. Another beautiful fish.
Really love that copper color on them.
Yep.
Yeah, really coming home too.
Good little eater.
With them?
Yep. Gonna eat it, or you're just gonna watch it? Ooh. So now I'm just gonna go back the way I came. Shoot
It's
dang.
kind of right over by me now. Come on.
No. Come on, come back. That's right. Come on back up here. Got him. Another bluegill. Ain't no giant, but they are pretty in here. I love bluegills. They're so much fun. Definitely one of the hardest fighting fish I know of. Panfish wise.
Pound for pound for sure.
Yep. The only thing I like better is smallmouth. Smallmouth are just vicious. Another little deal. Thanks, dude. Come in. I'm not here for it. No, he doesn't seem interested in it.